Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time. The boy was waiting for the bus. He saw a butterfly near the plant. Nature's magic. He smiled and waved. Let's meet with new sounds. B, b, b. Let's do actions with me.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. B, b. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
Every object has an initial sound. Like bus, bag, butterfly. B, b, bus. B, b, bag. B, b, butterfly. Dear kids, what do you know about the butterflies? How do they look like? See you in the next lesson.